Malaysia is blessed with a wide supply of natural resources. Among them includes the rubber trees contributing to the rubber industry, which plays a major role in the country's economic sector. Malaysia is the largest rubber glove exporter in the world, which exports to more than 190 countries across the globe. With the leading position, Malaysia plays an important role in the rubber glove industries in terms of product development and innovation. Established in early 2016, Lexis Corporation Berhad is a total solution provider for rubber glove industries in Malaysia and international markets. We manufacture and supply specialty chemicals which consist of industrial cleaning agents, polymer coatings, coagulants, specialty chemicals, and additives for the rubber glove industries. We are proud to present our milestone and achievements over the years, such as winning the Global Leadership Award, Golden Bull Outstanding Award, and Sinchu Excellence Award. We are acquired by Lexis Group, which aims to synergize sales and marketing for both domestically and internationally. Our performance also speaks for itself, as we are moving towards producing over 6,000 metric tons of monthly production capacity. Our vision is to be the market leader in manufacturing and trading of specialty chemicals for glove industries in the global market, and our mission is to provide uncompromised quality products and superior services to our customers and maximum benefits to the employees. We focus on innovative and product development to fulfill the changing needs and expectations of our customers, such as environmental friendly and energy saving products. Together, we can create sustainable manufacturing practices for a greener future. Our team consists of experienced technical personnel and a highly motivated sales team who can offer effective products and technical solutions for various applications in rubber gloves industries. Our priorities is the customer, as we provide one of the best after-sales services in the industry. We are committed to meet or exceed all of our customers' expectations. Over the years, our team in Lexis Corporation Berhad upholds our quality policy confidently with the help of the latest state-of-the-art technology and equipment. We constantly work on new product research and development and collaborate with our reliable raw material suppliers to develop unique and superior performance products to suit your needs. Our ever-growing international partnerships extend to over 10 countries with export to over 100 clients globally. We look forward to becoming your prioritized partner. Ultimate solutions for today and beyond. Lexis Corporation, your partner and total solution provider for the rubber glove industry.